Hi, this is Mardy once again and welcome to my channel. Hello mga kaistorya! Welcome back to At Home with Mardy. This January, we are opening a special chapter on the channel. One that celebrates amazing women who didn't just shine in the spotlight but proved that strength, talent, and authenticity matter just as much behind the scenes. These are women whose stories go beyond fame, women who took risks, faced criticism, reinvented themselves, and still stood tall. And for today's vlog, we turn the spotlight on one of the most intriguing and multifaceted women in Philippine entertainment, Beauty Gonzalez. Bago pa man siya makilala sa spotlight, bago ang red carpets at mga headline rules, tahimik nang binabasag ni Beauty Gonzalez ang mga inaasahan ng marami. Mula sa isang simpleng probinsyanang pinanggalingan patungo sa mundo ng reality TV, mula sa pageant stages hanggang sa mga komplikado at scene-stealing na karakter sa telebisyon at pelikula, ang kanyang paglalakbay ay malayo sa karaniwan. This is not a story of overnight fame. It is a story of courage, perseverance, and constant need to prove that sometimes the brightest stars are the ones who rise slowly, yet never lose their shine. Behind the elegance and confidence is a woman shaped by bold choices, public scrutiny, personal reinvention, and moments that spark both admiration and debate. Some of her milestones are celebrated, others misunderstood, but all of them are real, documented, and revealing. In this video, we peel back the polished image to uncover 7 real, verified facts about Beauty Gonzalez. Stories that trace how she became one of the most intriguing figures in Philippine entertainment today. So sit back, relax, and join me as we uncover the story behind the elegance, the strength, and the name that continues to make waves in the industry. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. At para updated kayo sa mga susunod kong videos, please click the bell notification below. At sana po, don't skip the ads and please watch until the end of my video. Here are 7 real facts about Beauty Gonzalez. Number 1, full name and birth date. Long before the cameras and acclaim, si Beauty Gonzalez ay isinilang bilang Christine Marie Lucci Gonzalez noong May 28, 1991 sa tahimik na lungsod ng Dumaguete sa Pilipinas. Isang lugar na malayo sa ingay ng showbiz, ngunit malalim ang naging papel sa paghubog ng babaeng kalaunan ay makikilala ng buong bansa. Number 2, Beauty Gonzalez Heritage. Ang kanyang pinagmulan ay kasing yaman ng kanyang personalidad. Si Beauty Gonzalez ay may dugong Spanish-Filipina. Ang kanyang ama ay Spanish habang ang kanyang ina naman ay isang Spanish-Filipina mula sa Cebu. Isang pamana ng kultura na malinaw na makikita hindi lang sa kanyang itsura, kundi pati sa kanyang pananaw at pagkatao. Number 3, career start. Unang nasilayan ng publiko si Beauty noong 2008 nang pumasok siya sa Pinoy Big Brother House bilang teen housemate sa Pinoy Big Brother Teen Edition Plus. Inside the confines of the famous house, she was no longer just a girl with dreams. She became a young woman learning to navigate scrutiny, competition, and self-discovery, unknowingly taking her very first steps toward a life in the spotlight. Number 4. Early pageant history. Long before the cameras and TV fame, unti-unti nang gumagawa ng pangalan si Beauty Gonzalez sa mundo ng pageants. Noong 2006, napili siya bilang isa sa Cebu's 12 Prettiest Teens at sa parehong taon, buong pride niyang nasungkit ang korona ng Miss Teen Philippines Central Visayas. Ang mga unang tagumpay na ito ay hindi lang tungkol sa ganda. Ito ang unang patikim ng kanyang poise, confidence at determinasyon na kalaunan ang magdadala sa kanya sa mundo ng showbiz. Number 5. Acting and TV work. As Beauty Gonzalez transitioned from pageants to the screen, she carved out a name for herself as a versatile television and film actress. Sa paglipas ng mga taon, lumabas siya sa maraming projects na nagpakita ng kanyang range at talino. At noong 2021, sumali siya sa GMA7. Mula noon, nagkaroon siya ng starring role sa ilang serye. Pinapatunayan na ang kanyang journey sa showbiz ay hindi lang tungkol sa fame, kundi sa skill, dedikasyon at ang hindi matatawarang presence niya sa screen. Number 6. Personal life. Beyond the cameras and red carpets, Beauty Gonzalez has built a life grounded in love and family. She married art curator Norman Crisologo in May 2017, but their story began even earlier with the birth of their daughter Olivia in February 2016. For Beauty, motherhood and marriage have become a source of strength and inspiration, shaping not only her personal life but the woman she brings to every role and endeavor. And number 7, notable public controversy. Noong 2023, napunta si Beauty Gonzalez sa gitna ng public debate sa GMA Gala. Suot niya ang alahas na gawa sa daan-daang taong gulang na Philippine Ancestral Gold. Isang bold na choice na agad nagpasiklab ng usapin tungkol sa cultural sensitivity at etika sa paggamit ng mga excavated historical pieces. Pinakita ng moment na kahit fashion at personal expression, pwede itong humantong sa mas malalim na diskusyon tungkol sa heritage, respeto at responsibilidad. And there you are mga kaistorya, 7 real verified facts about Beauty Gonzalez. Mula sa kanyang simpleng beginning sa Dumaguete, sa kanyang pageant days, sa pag-angat niya sa showbiz, at pati na rin sa mga personal moments na talagang bumuo sa kung sino siya ngayon. Pinapaalala sa atin ang journey niya na sa likod ng bawat spotlight may kwento ng tapang, determinasyon at puso. Kaya ngayon, gusto naming marinig mula sa inyo. Alin sa 7 facts na ito ang pinaka-nagulat sa inyo? O may favorite kayong Beauty Gonzalez moment na gusto ninyong ibahagi? I-drop lang sa comments below at huwag kalimutang mag-like, share at subscribe para sa mas marami pang kwento ng mga amazings na women na nag-iiwan ng marka. And thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Daghang salamat! Thank you very much for watching. And according to Brit Marling, life is beautiful because it doesn't last.